how to correct error in personal details with HMRC. If there is an error in your date of birth with HMRC, the only way to update it is by writing to them directly. Here is what you need to do. First, prepare a letter. Write a letter addressed to the following: PT Operations, Northeast England, HM Revenue and Custom, BX9 IAN. Number 2, include the following information in your letter: full name and address. Ensure your current and correct details are provided. National insurance number. Include your NI number for identification. Evidence of date of birth. Send an original document or a certified that confirm your correct date of birth. Example, birth certificate or passport. Number 3, send your letter and the required documents to the address provided. Very important, HMRC will not update your date of birth through any other method. So, this written submission is necessary. Make sure you use a secure and traceable mailing services is sending original documents. We have uploaded more than 800 video subject related to UK start, business and tax.